my name is Mharz, and few episodes ago, I made some cream puffs which you can watch in the eye above this video. Today, we're gonna make cream puffs again, but this time, I will add something. This thing is called Choux Au Craqueline. Apparently, it's a cream puff encased in a cookie? Something like that. So let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so first off, we're gonna make the cookie dish that goes on top. By the way, I put the link in the description of the recipe I followed, so feel free to check that out. I have a large bowl here and we're going to add some butter and brown sugar. Cream them, and by creaming I mean whisking them until they're nice and pale like so. Once they're nice and smooth, we are gonna add in some flour. Mix them until it forms a dough. Okay, I made a mistake, didn't I? I'm pretty sure my measurements were correct, or my math is at least. And I divided the measurements properly. So why is it still pasty and sticky and messy? I don't think it's supposed to be like this because from what I've seen in the photos and videos, they're a ball of dough. Well, I guess I'm crossing the botching territory and add in more flour, so it'll be more like a dough ball. That should be better, I think. So now, we're gonna put this in the Ziploc bag and roll it flat in there. It says in the recipe that it has to be really thin. This is what I came up with, and we're gonna put this in the freezer overnight. The next day. Okay, the thingy is nice and hard, but I'm having a hard time getting it out of the zip bag. Oh, carpet crack. Gosh dang it. Well, I'll try my best to cut this into discs. I don't have a cookie cutter, so I'm using a plastic lid as a template. I cracked again. Few minutes in and it's not hard anymore. It's back to its doughy state. Well, I'm gonna cut this into this anyway. I'm gonna improvise a bit, so what I'm gonna do is sandwich this thing in a parchment paper and roll it flat. Then I will coat the lid template with flour so the thing won't stick into it. This is so messy, I hate it. Well, somehow I managed to cut 10 discs from this. Let's put it back to the freezer for a couple of hours. Time to make the choux pastry. I already made this, so here's another montage. Boom, pop, pew, ting, boom, boosh, ting, meow, meow. Okay, we're gonna put the disc on top of the choux blobs, like so. This is supposed to be non-stick paper. The heck is this? Whatever. I'm just gonna put in the cracked shards on top instead. I don't like wasting food, okay? And now we just need to wait for them to bake. And waiting. And waiting. And waiting. Ding! So, this is what turned out. I don't know what to say. It didn't encapsulate the puff. Some look fine, but a lot are a bunch of disasters. The middle one is, well, the leftover craqueline, so I just baked them as well. I'm most certainly not gonna use this for anything else. Anyway, I'm gonna fill it with pastry cream. Feel free to watch my cream puffs video for more details in making that. Here's the finished product, or the good looking ones at least. Here's the one that is sliced. Finally, here's what I have to say in this matter.
Okay, I have to admit, I got really frustrated in making this. The recipe, the other videos I've seen from this are like, the disc or the craqueline are hard before they bake them. Mine ended up being floppy, and I don't know if it's because I added way too much flour than the recipe says, but yeah, the thing is, it was still way too sticky and pasty, so I can't really, I can't really form it into a disc if it's in that form, in that pasty form. So I added flour. Another thing is, I tried to freeze the disc, but unfortunately, the weather here is so hot that it thawed in seconds. I'm not even kidding, in seconds. So that might also be the reason why it ended up being floppy, and I was really unsatisfied with the result. So yeah, I don't think I'll be making this thing again in the future. It's not idiot proof, and it takes a lot of effort to make this, which is not ideal for me. So I'll be sticking for the regular cream puffs moving forward. So thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye!